How to find Bank of America near me. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Bank of America near me. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bankofamerica.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Bank of America. In here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Contact Us. Tap on that and you will see the option for Find ATMs and Financial Centers. Tap on the Financial Center Locator option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the search bar and search for the area or location you want to find Bank of America branch of. I will search for California, and as you can see, I have a bunch of locations of Bank of America in California. You can similarly search for the location that you are looking for too. So, this is how you can find Bank of America locations near you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.